Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The first set of ganja-based pharmaceutical products made in Jamaica could hit the market before the end of this year. That as Medicanja today launched products now under production, but is still being held up in selling them. Dashan Hendricks reports.
4 years after its initial launch, Medicanja declaring it is now open for business.
We have gone beyond just the research and development.
Dr. Henry Lowe says he's at the stage where he is ready to convert his company's discovery regarding ganja-based pharmaceuticals into products for the market. 6 products are now ready.
We have Canja Rub, Canja Col, Relivium Cream, Relivium Spray.
Those are all for pain applied on the skin. There are oral remedies as well.
Then we have got, of course, 2 oral products. One is called Somnicon, or 1 drop. The other one we have is oral mucosal spray called Tivasat.
So these products have been developed. Dr. Henry Lowe says he's ready to start producing them, but the Cannabis Licensing Authority says consumers won't see them on the shelves until other regulatory hurdles have been cleared.
As everybody knows, Medicanja, Professor Lowe's company, is in the process of being licensed. So what they've done is a natural step. They're just letting the marketplace know these will be available once we have gotten all the requisite license and once we're ready for business.
The CLA boss, Greg Douglas, indicates Medicanja could be getting its license to sell the products in a few weeks. They have so far been approved for production by the Ministry of Health. Already there's interest from pharmaceutical distributor, Medical Disposables and Supplies. Its managing director, Kurt Booth, now observing the process.
From a business development standpoint, yes, there is an interest, and once the legal framework is set and all is in order, I think that we could have an interest going forward.
Dr. Lowe himself is now sensing success.
We feel that we should be able to sell in Jamaica this year, between this year and next year, somewhere in the region of about 20,000 units of each product. And then we are going to go avidly into the regional market as they open up, and then global market, starting with South Africa.
From there, he's planning to sell the products throughout the African continent. For now, Dr. Lowe looks to raise the funds to bring them to the wider market. Grants, loans, and a $5 million initial public offering, IPO, are all being considered. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.19. The Canadian dollar cost $99.14. The pound sterling is selling for $167.53, while the euro is going for $149.42. In the meantime, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, says it is not worried by the recent appreciation of the currency. IMF Mission Chief to Jamaica, Uma Ramakrishnan, says the movement is seen as normal. She, however, said interventions in the foreign exchange market must be limited to smoothing out volatility in the market. She said the Bank of Jamaica must not intervene to target or maintain a particular exchange rate, but must instead allow the market to find the value of the dollar.
Two-way currency movements is normal, healthy, within all, what one would expect with a flexible exchange rate regime. And what Jamaica is experiencing now is real flexibility where the exchange rate goes up and the exchange rate goes down. That two-way movement of going up and down is normal for a flexible exchange rate. So to us, it is doing what exactly we expect a flexible exchange rate to do. So no, it is not a source of concern for us.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange is set to see its biggest listing to date, with the Wisynco Group targeting a public offering. The company today released information indicating it is hoping to make an offer to raise the funds before the end of this year, with the hope of listing on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. It did not release the amount of funds that will be sought, but a source with knowledge of the deal indicated Wisynco could seek upwards of $7 billion. The company is planning to use part of the proceeds to expand its business, with plans for a $1 billion investment to start early next year. If Wisynco is successful in raising the $7 billion, that would comfortably eclipse the $1.2 billion raised by Portland JSX last year, which, as of now, is the largest IPO of ordinary shares on the stock exchange. Wisynco had sales of over $21 billion in its last financial year. NCB Capital Market is the lead broker for the offer. The JSE index resumed its strong run, posting a 2,237 points gain today, while the junior market index gained 19. The winners of the day included Cable and Wireless, Grace Kennedy, JMMB Group, Lasco Financial, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, Pulse, and Scotia Group. The losers include 138 Student Living, Berger Paints, Carreras, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the business day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.